Welcome, world explorers. Today, we embark on a journey to the vibrant and colorful nation of Cuba, renowned for its breathtaking sceneries. This Caribbean gem is more than just sun-kissed beaches and salsa-infused nights. It's a country rich in culture, steeped in history, and blessed with natural beauty that can leave anyone in awe. From the lively streets of Havana to the lush landscapes of Viñales Valley, the beach paradise of Varadero, and the timeless charm of Trinidad, Cuba offers a plethora of picturesque vistas. In this video, we will take you on a virtual tour of these spectacular sceneries, each with its unique allure, painting a vivid portrait of this tropical paradise. So, buckle up and prepare to immerse yourself in the captivating splendor of Cuba, a land where the past and the present collide in a symphony of colors, rhythms, and scenic wonders. Without further ado, venture with us into the heart of Cuba's most exquisite locations. Our first stop takes us to the historic city of Havana, a place where time seems to stand still. Havana, a city pulsating with life and color, is a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. The heartbeat of Cuba, Havana blends old-world charm with modern vibrancy, creating a unique tapestry that is distinctly its own. Picture this. You're walking through the cobbled streets of Old Havana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Around you, Baroque and neoclassical buildings stand tall, their pastel hues faded by the sun, yet still vibrant. The air is filled with the rhythmic beat of salsa music, the aroma of Cuban coffee, and the distant echo of waves crashing against the malecon. Old Havana, or Habana Vieja as the locals call it, is a living museum, a testament to the city's rich and tumultuous history. Speaking of the malecon, it's more than just a 5-mile-long esplanade. It's a gathering spot, a place where locals and tourists alike come to enjoy the cool sea breeze, watch the sun set over the Atlantic, or simply soak in the city's infectious energy. It's where the city meets the sea, and where the present meets the past. Then there's the Morro Castle, standing guard at the entrance of the Havana harbor. A silent sentinel, it has witnessed the city's transformation over the past 4 centuries. Its stone walls, weathered by time and the elements, have countless tales to tell. From its highest point, you'll be treated to a panoramic view of the city that is nothing short of breathtaking. But Havana is more than just its historic spots. It's the city's spirit, its energy that truly sets it apart. It's the sound of classic cars rumbling down the streets, the sight of locals dancing salsa in the plazas, the taste of authentic Cuban cuisine. It's a city that, despite its challenges, wears its heart on its sleeve and its history on its streets. Havana, a city that wears its rich history with pride, leaves us yearning for more. So as we bid adieu to this charming city, we take with us not just memories, but a piece of Havana's indomitable spirit. Away from the city's hustle and bustle, we find ourselves in the tranquil Viñales Valley. A serene paradise nestled in the heart of Cuba, Viñales Valley is a breathtaking spectacle of nature's grandeur. The valley is a lush tapestry of verdant greenery, where traditional tobacco farms dot the landscape, painted with hues of earthy browns and vibrant greens. Here, time seems to have taken a leisurely pause, allowing nature to weave its magic unencumbered. The air is alive with the whispers of the wind rustling through the palm fronds and the distant chatter of farmers tending to their crops. The aroma of rich Cuban tobacco wafts through the air, a testament to the valley's long-standing tradition of tobacco farming. Indeed, it's not just the visual spectacle that makes Viñales Valley special. It's the living, breathing culture of the land, deeply rooted in its tobacco farming heritage. Generations of farmers have toiled, nurturing the soil to grow the finest tobacco in the world. Here, the art of cigar making is not just a livelihood, it's a way of life, a legacy passed down through generations that adds a unique charm to this enchanting valley. But the valley's allure doesn't end with its lush fields. The landscape is punctuated by unique limestone cliffs, known as mogotes. These towering formations rise majestically from the valley floor, their rugged facades a stark contrast to the soft contours of the surrounding fields. They stand as silent sentinels, adding an air of mystique to the valley's picturesque panorama. As we journey through Viñales Valley, every turn reveals a new facet of its beauty. Every moment spent here is a chance to connect with nature in its purest form. It's a place where the humdrum of city life feels like a distant memory, where the heart finds solace in the simple yet profound beauty of the natural world. Viñales Valley, a testament to Cuba's natural splendor, leaves an indelible mark on our hearts. A visit to this captivating corner of Cuba is more than just a journey. It's an experience that stays with you, long after you've left its enchanting embrace. Next, we journey to Varadero, a beach lover's paradise. Picture this, a stretch of coastline over 12 miles long, adorned with pristine, white, sandy shores that seem to glow under the bright Cuban sun. This is Varadero, a haven for anyone who loves the beach, the sun, and the sea. Varadero is often touted as one of Cuba's most stunning natural attractions, and it's not hard to see why. The beaches here are nothing short of breathtaking. They are wide and inviting, with sand as soft and fine as powdered sugar. Walking along the beach, your feet sink into the cool white sand, a stark contrast to the warm turquoise waters lapping gently at the shore. The sea here is as inviting as the beaches. Crystal clear waters stretch out as far as the eye can see, shimmering under the sun in varying shades of blue. The waters are calm and shallow, perfect for a leisurely swim or snorkeling. As you wade further into the sea, the waters gradually deepen, revealing a vibrant underwater world teeming with marine life. But Varadero is not just about lounging on the beach and swimming in the sea. It's a place where you can engage in a myriad of water activities. You can rent a paddleboard or a kayak and glide across the placid water. Or if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you can try windsurfing or sailing. And when you're done with your water adventures, you can retreat to one of the many beachside resorts dotting the coastline. Here you can indulge in a refreshing cocktail or savor a delicious seafood meal, all while enjoying panoramic views of the sea. Varadero's tranquil atmosphere, combined with its stunning natural beauty, makes it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a place where you can unwind, recharge, and simply enjoy the beauty of nature. So, whether you're a beach bum, a water sports enthusiast, or someone just looking for a peaceful retreat, Varadero has something to offer. Varadero, with its serene beaches and azure waters, offers a tranquil escape from the world. Our final destination is the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Trinidad, a town that takes us back in time. Imagine stepping through the pages of a history book, landing in a place where time seems to have stopped. That's Trinidad, a place where the echoes of the past resonate in every corner. As we journey through this town, we're immediately greeted by the rhythmic clatter of horse-drawn carriages on cobblestone streets, a familiar sound that has remained unchanged for centuries. Trinidad is a town where history lives and breathes. The colonial architecture here is not just well preserved, but it's a living testament to the town's rich past. From the Grand Plaza Mayor, adorned with charming Spanish-style mansions, to the pastel-colored houses lining the streets, every structure narrates a story from a bygone era. But Trinidad is not just about its stunning architecture, it's also about its vibrant local culture. The town is a melting pot of traditions and customs that have stood the test of time. The sound of salsa music fills the air, inviting everyone to dance and celebrate life. The local artisans, with their skilled hands, craft beautiful pieces of pottery, lace and woodwork, keeping the traditional crafts alive. Trinidad, with its charm and antiquity, is also a gastronomic delight. The aroma of Cuban cuisine wafts through the air, teasing your taste buds. From savory ropa vieja to sweet flan, the local food is a feast for the senses. Despite its preserved past, Trinidad is not stuck in time. It's a town that has embraced its history and used it to shape its present. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, creating a unique blend of old and new. As we walk along the cobblestone streets, under the warm glow of the street lamps, we can't help but marvel at Trinidad's enduring spirit. It's a town that has managed to retain its charm and idyllic tranquility amidst the passage of time. Trinidad, a living museum, perfectly encapsulates Cuba's enduring spirit and charm. Our journey exploring Cuba's best sceneries ends here, but the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. We've roamed the historic streets of Havana, soaked in the natural splendor of Viñales Valley, basked in Varadero's beach paradise, and stepped back in time in Trinidad. Each of these places has its own unique charm, a testament to Cuba's rich tapestry of cultures, history, and landscapes. Imagine yourself strolling through Havana's vibrant streets, feeling the cool breeze in Viñales Valley, sinking your toes in the warm sands of Varadero, or journeying through the time-stilled streets of Trinidad. There's a whole world out there, just waiting for you to explore. Now we would love to hear from you. What area of the world would you like us to cover next? Please share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us continue our virtual journeys around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring.